In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Gemini on Gmail. If you've been seeing AI-driven prompts or smart suggestions in Gmail and want a simpler, distraction-free inbox, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use the options built right into Gmail so you can quickly switch off Gemini-related smart features for the account you choose. Start by going to Gmail. Open the Gmail app on your device so you're looking at your inbox. From here, look to the top left corner and tap the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu button, sometimes called the hamburger icon, and it opens the full navigation panel for Gmail. Once the menu is open, scroll down. You may pass items like your labels, trash, and other folders. Keep going until you see the section with app options. When you reach it, tap Settings. This is where Gmail keeps all the controls that affect how your inbox behaves. Inside Settings, tap Email Account. If you have multiple accounts signed in, choose the specific email address where you want to turn off Gemini-related features. Each account has its own settings, so make sure you're adjusting the right one. Now, scroll down within that account settings. You're looking for the option labeled Google Workspace Smart Features. This section manages intelligent capabilities in Gmail, such as AI-powered assists that may appear in your Compose window or around your inbox. If you prefer manual control and fewer AI prompts, this is the place to make that change. When you see Google Workspace Smart Features, tap it to open the setting. Then, here, tap the box to turn it off. This switch disables the smart features connected to Gemini in your Gmail experience for the selected account. Turning it off can help if you want a cleaner interface, if you're troubleshooting unusual prompts, or if you simply prefer to write and organize without AI assistance. After you toggle the box, your preference is applied for that account. If you manage more than one Gmail address on your device and want the same setup everywhere, repeat these steps for each account. And if you change your mind later, you can come back to the same place and turn the box back on. That's all there is to it. You went to Gmail, opened the main menu, scrolled to Settings, selected your email account, scrolled down to Google Workspace Smart Features, and tapped the box to turn it off. Enjoy a streamlined Gmail experience tailored to how you like to work.